So my buddy, he loves to run. He's a huge sprinter. His favorite event is the 100-meter dash. He's always talking to me about how he's practicing for it, the strategy he uses during the run, and that's great, and I love the guy, but I don't know really what a 100-meter dash is. Because I live in the US and I don't really have a sense for what 100 meters is. So today what I want to do with you guys is I want to use algebra to do a unit conversion. I want to convert 100 meters into the same distance, but in feet. We're going to set this up as an algebra problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that 100 meters equals x feet. Now, we have one equation, but we still don't know how to convert meters and feet. We need one extra one. And that is that you may know already or not that there's 3.28 feet equals 1 meter. So I divide both sides by 1 meter, and I get 3.28 feet per meter equals 1. And this is going to be important for our next step. Now you might have noticed I've been saying there's 3.28 feet per meter. Whenever I say per, or whenever anyone's talking about per, feet per meter, dollars per person, the per always means divided by. So it goes 3.28 feet per meter. And that's how we interpret that. So now I've got this equation, and I'm going to be able to use this to do a really neat trick. As 100 meters times 1 equals x feet times 1. What I've done is clearly legal because I've done the same thing to both sides of the equation. Now on the right-hand side, feet is the unit I want eventually. Right? It's the unit of my final answer. So I'm just going to ignore this 1. Forget about it, because x times 1 is still x. It's no big deal. But I want to convert meters. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, and I know something else that also equals 1. 3.28 feet per meter also equals 1. So I'm going to cross this guy out and rewrite him such that I have times 3.28 feet per meter. Aha. So now I have 100 meters times 3.28 feet per meter equals x feet. Now, we'll notice that I've got a meters up here and a meters down here, so I can cancel them. And then I can do out the numerical multiplication. And I get 328 feet equals x feet. And then if I want to be very precise, I can actually cancel the feet off of each side as if I were dividing by 1 foot on each side. And I get my final answer, which is that 328 equals x. And this tells me, going back to where we started, that 100 meters equals 328 feet, which is great. Now I have this perfect intuition on exactly how far my friend is running every time he does the 100-meter dash.